guys? This is Gamers for Good. I am Liz, and this is Pete Cooper.
Hi.
We are streaming game development tonight. A little bit different than normal. Pete is working on a Thunderdome project with Riot Games that is public facing, so he is streaming that tonight. And I will be working I will continue working on Cat Burglar. Getting ready to make our final build for GDC tomorrow. Almost there. So I am just real quick going to get together an image to share that we are streaming. Pete has been busy, so he has not had a chance to make that for me. Sandcastle for us after the pool party.
Yeah.
Is there a way with a magnetic lasso to remove points?
To remove points from the lasso?
Uh-huh.
Not that I know of.
Oh, fuck shit bags, really?
I mean, you can keep your selection and just unselect the areas you want.
Well, how? Huh?
By using marquee select, unselect.
I don't want to marquee select. That's the whole problem, is that I had to trace around the G and the G. I don't want to. I'm like at the straight part now.
What is it you're making? I can make it for you.
I'm making what we should have, the G4G frame with a blank thing behind it.
Sure, I can make that.
Okay, thanks. I'm not good at the arts. Is often not happy with my results.
What happened? I don't know how that got flattened.
I don't know. I do not know. I just know that I opened it and it was not.
It did.
Hello, Monkey Girl. Welcome to stream.
Where? Drama.
Where's this from?
I don't know.
Peggle 2.
That's from Peggle 2?
It is! Symphony in D minor, Ode to Joy. Okay. I believe you.
Alright, yeah. need to find... I can't find any of the... Oh, there it is. G4G logos.
So this is what I am going to be working on first tonight. Is I am trying to get this lovely visual effect on this gem into all of them, so that when you pick it up, it triggers this effect, so that you get the gratification of, wow, I just got something awesome. So I was working on the trigger for this. It's turned off. Delete this one because I don't, that's attached to, and I'm going to go into Gem 13, I believe. Yeah, I'm gonna mess with this one because this one is actually right behind Cat, so it's the easiest one to test. So all I have to do is start the level, and it's the closest one to her.
Start the level.
Shortcut. When testing, choose the closest one to the player. You said you didn't want us using the same image every time.
I'm talking about a PSD that has...
Oh yes, I have some kind of frame that I can change, like, I can drop in, I'm working on this gem, I can drop in, we're gonna do this.
Alright.
Is really not in a good place for me. It's like right where I'm trying to work, very annoyingly. I can't move this.
What is it?
There's a particle effect menu that's like stuck in the corner here. Get away, I want that corner. I'm really bad at placing things in 3D, like really, really bad, so you'll watch me like go around this and try and figure out, look, I still don't have this anywhere near inside this gem. It's kind of awesome.
Really?
Oh, not even close.
Well, just go to the top view and put it where you want it, and then you only have to mess with the up and down arrow. Do you know how to do, like literal top views and stuff?
This top.
Yeah, but I mean, there's a button that will make it like orthographic top. Like perfect.
What is orthographic? I hit the top on the viewfinder and it gives me the top view.
Okay, cool.
I don't
That's
know.
what I'm talking about.
Okay, I'm like, I don't know if there's another thing, but I'm using what is listed as the top view.
I need to figure out what this G-Force experience thing is and kill it with fire.
Go into your task manager and kill it.
Oh, is that how you do it? Because I keep turning off, I keep exiting this NVIDIA control panel thing, and it doesn't do anything. It still sits there.
The stream is down. Is it frozen? No, it's not down.
What are you talking about?
Pat's Mojito said the stream is down. I can see it.
Stream is down. Let me see.
I'm not sure what.
The stream is down. Let me see. Let me see, let me see.
It's fine. Yeah, I don't know what he's saying.
Stream's working fine.
He's weird. I don't know. I don't know what he's doing.
The stream is down. Down for the count. Alright. How big do you want this?
I don't know. Oh, my back is not doing fine. That back is hurting. The chair I am sitting in downstairs is not good.
Saving this for you. And I will call this, what would you like me to call this?
Is it the cat streaming card PSD? Because that would be good.
That's what you want it called?
There's already one there, overwrite it.
Is it in images?
Yep.
Cat streaming card. Yes, goodbye. This is pretty big though. I should make this a little smaller. Oh no, it's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad, it's fine.
It's not too bad.
There you go.
Thank you.
I suggest you make stuff a little smaller before you post it, though. Alright. I'm working on a Thunderdome cover thing tonight. For good old Rito. Oh my god. Oh my god, I have to kill this. Control Alt Delete Task Manager. Pardon me, Task Manager. There is something that keeps taking over my computer from an NVIDIA.
Welcome to the stream, Slaughterfast.
Where is it? I have 100 NVIDIA things open. Do I just close them all?
No, just the GeForce Experience. No, what you're actually looking for is
Container?
It says something share. NVIDIA share.
I have 2 NVIDIA shares.
Yeah, get rid of those. You don't need to share. Like, I ain't sharing nothing.
Yeah, these are the things that just kind of come back.
Yep, they do.
They're back.
Oh, there's one other thing that's right near that.
Web helper?
Nope.
Shadow play helper?
Yes. So many NVIDIA things.
There's so many NVIDIA things in here. It's crazy. Okay, so it came back.
Wow. That was fast.
You sure it's not these containers? Whatever.
Oh, I
guess
didn't
I'll have
check
to live with
triggers.
this. I don't know what to do. 'Cause I don't know what to do. Guess I'll just have to live with it.
Oh, let me grab my controller. Let's see. Got a tangle. Got a tangle, folks. I hate cords. Cords are gonna kill us all. Let us see if I have successfully set up the trigger. Welcome to the stream, Jackie.
The world should be a little more cordless than it is at this point.
Little more cord. I want us to be a lot more cordless. A lot. Like, no more cords.
No more codes.
Down with the cords.
Can they hear the music
Uh-huh.
from the game?
Yes.
We have 2 different games.
Yes, and now doesn't seem to be any support for controller here. Or something.
There's too many things to support.
Too many things going on my computer right now. Too many things looking at me. What is this? What are you? Go away. I know I am getting hard of hearing, but you seem really low tonight. Does that mean me specifically? Does that mean me and Pete? Does that mean me and Pete in the music?
You.
I don't know how to interpret that.
You are low.
Why?
I am never low.
I didn't change anything, Jackie. It says thank you now louder. I didn't move anything. I was waiting for your answer. Yes.
Good job.
I don't know what that means.
You did the placebo fix. Is it better now?
How about now?
Sweet. Didn't do anything. This sexy sandcastle. I like that.
I'm just looking over here. I don't see, or my controller didn't seem to be responding. So I don't know if I've broken the game or if my controller's not working. Each of those things is entirely possible.
It could be both.
Why does Windows have to make things hard? Like, I used to know where all the things are. And now I don't know where to find my controller. Ah, I have to go back to the old thing. Okay, so here you are. Are you working? I don't know if it's working. It's working properly.
Does it say working properly?
It says it, but then that scares me. Which was weird because I didn't break it downstairs. So
You broke the audio or the whole game? What do you mean?
I broke controller support so far.
You don't need that. Most PC gamers don't have controllers.
That's very strange because I touched nothing having to do with controller. The only thing I hit was this trigger box.
Right. I'm happy enough with this beautiful sandcastle. What color?
She's
What color
not
are the
working.
Star Guardian stars? Are they all pink? So,
Stars?
the Star Guardian stars.
I'm looking at the Star Guardians right here. So stars?
Yeah, do they have stars on them?
I mean, they all have a gold star somewhere.
Hey, look, Mojito cheered.
Thank
Look at
you! Woot
A
woot!
cheer. Yes, we are now capable of receiving cheers. And
You
all
have a
that.
badge. Oh, so I broke the game's controller support.
Controller support is dead. So I'm working on something for Riot right now. We're doing this Thunderdome, and we're making 3 mini games based on Star Guardian, Pool Party, and Project. So I did this drawing of Project Vane. I'm trying to make something a little more lighthearted and stylized. Project Vane, Pool Party, Draven, and Star Guardian Jinx. And now I'm doing this title, which has a little bit of each of those guys. I need some reference. I have some reference. Ah, here's my reference. Okay, so Jinx has a pink star. Pink star. She has one with a silver background and one with a gold background. Okay. Okay. Let me take this.
Oh, that's right. I have the chibi version, so they're probably a little more limited on their space.
Yeah, that's probably the case. That's probably the case. Let me drop this reference here. Along with my sand. Where's my sandcastle reference? I lost it. There it is. Doop boop doop boop. I kind of dig that song. Oh, that's from our game, right? Okay.
You can have the Dota back.
Ah. Ugh.
No Dota.
I like that. Boop, doop, boop, boop. That was neat. I'm getting heavily pinged on Slack. What's going on? Here you go. Project execute. That's cute. This is the title Hing just sent me. Hing's one of the artists over at the Rito. So it's EXE cute.
Showed. Okay, I'm like, don't take it away yet. Oh wow. That's a hanger dinger.
Execute.
Oh, silly.
Thanks, Hang.
Boing! I want it to make the boing when I pick it up. And it's befounding me.
Alright, so Pan finished the cover of his game. So we have 3 different teams working on 3 different games. Here's the one he just finished. He's working on the pool party team. He's making this tennis style thing called Zach Ball, which is really fun.
I like the image.
Yeah, I love the stylization of it.
Yeah, very cool.
It's really fun.
Everybody's really elongated and noodly.
Yeah. I really like his coloring style. These like simple pastels. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And John Palladora just posted his version of the Star Guardian game. Oh, it's big.
Oh, thanks for the bits.
There we go.
Thanks for the bits and thanks for the follow.
John Star Guardian.
Oh, I love Star Guardians. I love the Star Guardians!
And here is the project one that Bo is working on.
Bolu.
This one's really cool. It's got like he's doing like a kind of Metal Gear style kind of thing.
Oh, geez. Yeah.
So for anybody who doesn't know, Thunderdome is this thing that we do at Riot where we do these basically game jams for 48 hours. So that's why I'm working on this right now, because we don't have a lot of time. So it's kind of...
What are you guys?
Everybody's racing to get this done.
30 hours in?
Oh,
It goes till noon tomorrow?
Yeah, noon tomorrow is when it's when the cutoff
12
is
and
done.
5, basically 17. So yeah, 31 hours. 31 hours in! Alright, so I think I'm gonna do some damage control. Which is, I'm basically gonna take out all the stuff I did until it's not broken anymore. And go from there. Because I'm not sure what I messed with that... And it's not working anyways, so there's no reason to leave it. Like, if it was working, then I'd try and figure it out, but it's not. So let's just clear house there. Let's see, where is my Playmaker editor?
Playmaker editor? I gotta add a dancing hamster to this image. Important. I'm gonna add a saxophone to this one. Alright. Very cool, very cool.
So,
now
I
I'm working
touched
on
this.
the messy title image. For Jam Packed. Where is it? Let me get this out of the corner. Oh, I need my project reference. Project. No, not that project. Riot project. Legends project. Shit.
What? Are you being salty, Mojito?
Salty about what?
He just threw all kinds of salts at us.
Salt
He
City.
threw PJ salt. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means.
Boom. Project triangle thing. Neat. I'm just gonna cheat. I'm just gonna use this directly.
So I am just doing some QA here. Basically digging through what is my version of code. my visual scripting state machines. What is that Playmaker window? So the Playmaker window that I have open over Unity right now is the Playmaker editor. Often if you see me working on the game, I will embed this right behind my project window, so you don't normally see it floating out like this. I normally have it somewhere like right here. But since I'm QAing, I really want to see more of it. But this is just the editor, so this state machine is a control state machine. This is working on waypoints. So what I'm looking for right now is when I'm going into the game, our hero, Cat, does not seem to be responding to... Sorry, I just got dumbfounded because I see that the control on Cat is not activated. That might make a difference. Let's see if it was that easy. Welcome to game development. There's a checkbox not checked. And there it is! Whee! Game development! Alright, now we can move one step forward, 2 steps back. Like, now I'm back where I started.
That's alright.
But the game's working!
The game is working. That's
Try harder, try harder! I'm trying hard!
trying hard.
No worries in it, so please ask away. That's why we are working here. That's why we're working in front of you guys, so that you can learn what we've learned so far. It's all fresh learns for me, so I know what I didn't know a week ago. This is one of the visual scripting programs that is out there right now. There is a new one that Unity is supporting and kind of promoting that I will be trying to talk to them about at GDC, Bolt. So
Oh, yeah.
this is how folks
Bolt.
like me who can't code make games. Folks like me. Where I understand the premises, I just am not gonna, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so we did confirm the controller is working.
The premises.
Alright, she is working again. Now let's go back to my visual effect.
So that one's team.
What language is this?
English.
So, I'm speaking English. The language... Are you saying what language does Playmaker use? Playmaker, as far as I know, basically just creates a visualization of C#. If I could be totally wrong, so if someone knows, call me out on that. But I think so. This will help me with Labo.
Are you gonna make Labo games? Who's that?
Mojito.
Oh, Mojito. You ain't making no Labo games. What he means is he's just literally gonna build the, the fishing rod. And are you gonna get the robot? Are you getting the robot backpack? God, I hope so. I would pay money to watch a video of you doing the whole.
That would go viral.
Doing the whole backpack. He's walking to your classroom. Mojito's a teacher, so pretty great.
He's a high school teacher, yeah.
Walk in your classroom with the backpack on.
Let me take you on a trip and roll with me. With the brothers get their party on every day.
What is this?
This is Jigger and Radio.
Funky Funky Radio. Funky Funky Radio. Yes, this way of coding is very interesting. Visual scripting is becoming more and more prevalent as more people beyond those who are capable of coding want to get into making games themselves. It really does. And it makes this it makes it faster. Instead of people spending so much time trying to learn how to use the tool, they are jumping right into the other aspects of game and learning past that. So I love it. Like, yeah, this doesn't people are like, oh, don't you think you're cheating or you're skipping the process? This is one piece of it and I don't even still have it figured out. Like, there's no skipping. You still have to make a game after this.
No, it makes the game for you.
That would be kind of amazing.
That would be a baller.
Mojito ordered the variety pack.
Of what?
Labo.
That doesn't come with the backpack though, right?
Nope.
Okay. I still want to see you with the backpack on.
And send him a backpack.
Yeah, I'll send you a backpack for your birthday.
Next year?
Don't quote me on that.
Gem 13, that's my friend. Why is Gem 16 black? You black. I don't know, all the rest of them are blue. I'm wondering if there's some change made on this one that is not applied to the prefab, and I'm not sure what it might be, so I don't want to mess with it. It is Gem 16. Huh, nothing specific. Interesting. Alright, so back to this.
Back to the biz. Oh, I'm on the wrong way here.
I learned the basics of Python last summer, and I'm still trying to figure out how to apply that knowledge. That can be really hard, I will say. Coding languages don't always line up real well, so some things, like if you learn a C language, whether it be C#, C++, they have a lot of common framework, but when you work outside of one language, like JavaScript to HTML, these aren't the same at all. So one doesn't necessarily help with knowledge of the other, but it does help you understand the connections and the processes that have to happen in what sort of order, and so Java is a very scary language to look at.
Is it really? Why is it scary?
Java, for me, the formatting doesn't make any sense. I just never grasp it. Like, I can get a lot of stuff just by digging around in it. Like, my brain is kind of good to me that way. Not that. Not that.
Not the Javas.
Nope. Oh. I never sent out the image. I can be really bad about this stuff. My kids know how bad I am. They if they ask me to do something, they will come back and did you finish it? Yes, I know you got almost all the way. Did you push the button, Mom? Is it done? Did you send the email? Did you pay us our allowance? Did you order the dinner? Everything's...
Of course, the allowance.
Everything is sitting one button from being done. It's like the save thing is open. I'm like, oh, I was almost there.
Did you finish paying our allowance?
Did you pay me, woman? But then they know I'm gonna go look for the bathroom.
Of course, they're gonna want that one. Let's see. I like this color. I need it to be darker.
music. Mass Effect 3.
Mass Effect 3. No thanks. God, Mass Effect 2 is so good.
Yay! Thank you for the subscription!
Can they recover? Who subscribed?
Mojito!
That guy.
Like a zombie following us.
Oh, we got a.
He got a zombie.
There's a zombie image.
Uh-huh. I gotta find something more positive for that.
Thanks, follower.
I'll just call you a mindless zombie.
I mean, it was a cartoony zombie. That's not.
Yes, it was cute. It's like a Plants vs. Zombie. Plants vs.
It's a cutie zombie. It's our first subscriber.
Yay!
Yay!
It's interesting to see the stuff you have to sign. Alright, so let's go get this into the social medias.
I believe Mojito sacrificed. That's at least 2 Taco Bell.
That's 5 tacos.
Taco Bell breakfast burritos.
He doesn't care. He counts Jack in the Box tacos. It's 5 tacos.
Jack in the Box.
He's always counting.
Do you still like those? Those are so shit.
I don't know. Do you? Those are really kind of gross.
They're so bad.
Alright, so I'm going to put that image in here, send it out to everybody so they can come join us.
Send it out to the social medias. Is all this on the wire now? Hey, I'm missing something. No, never colors. There we go. There we go, there we go. Let's get this damn scroll. Blong! I heard the
More
blong.
cheering, Mojito! You are the winner.
What are you cheering about? he likes the Mass Effect 3 soundtrack.
Yes, he
really.
does.
That's what's going on. It's all about it. Mass Effect 3. Has anyone ever met someone who likes Mass Effect 3 more than Mass Effect 2? Does that human exist? And if they do, I want to talk to them.
Get him.
I just want to understand. I want to understand.
Get him.
Mass Effect 2 is so good. I'm not saying a lot coming from me. I am not a fan What's the title?
He's got the badge for Bits Leader on our channel. Piggle's saying it's fake.
Who's got it?
Mojito.
Well, he's got it because
He earned it. Look at all the bits. Welcome to the stream, Piggle.
What a great cast.
That's what I want.
Leslie Knope is amazing. What a great name, Knope.
So these are not putting what I want. All the triggers and colliders that are coming with this visual effect are to make this damage something. So like it's saying if you're inside the radius of the particles, I kill you. Like that's an option. Or
it's not supposed to be violent.
I know, that's why I'm not choosing this option. Bow to the Bits Leader.
Bow to bang, diggy, diggy, what? To the Bits Leader.
Dig it, who?
Thanks for the bits.
More salt! Wow.
More salt? What does that mean?
He gave us more salts. It's salty. Gravity modifier. Okay, so I need an action.
You need an action. Satisfaction. Alright. I'm pretty okay with that mediocre scroll. I don't know what color to make this outside
I like this
trim.
music.
What? What are you listening to? What is it? Another World. From what? It's from Another World?
Oh, it's from Rayman Legends.
Oh, awesome. That is a
It is from the Rayman.
amazing game. I believe that's Piggle's favorite game.
Ooh.
What color do I make these letters?
Did he say call? Oh, Google Hangouts.
What?
I'm talking to myself.
Garb the Barbin, talking to yourself.
Did he say call? A call tomorrow. Do people mean like on the phone when they say call? I'm assuming
Probably
not.
They probably just mean
Like a
some
Discord
kind of Skype
thing?
I would assume they don't mean a literal call, but no. They could. Who are you talking about?
Someone at Twitch.
We got a call at Twitch. Are we gonna get banned?
Yes, just you. And
Just me.
Mojito. We're talking about Mojito mostly.
Mojito's getting the Twitch ban for your aggressive use of bits.
Your aggressive use of bits. Is that a thing?
Yep.
Okay, so let's go to my state
ban.
machine. Waiting for collision. I make a state. Yes, it's fine if I break the prefab. I'll look at it later. I want to trigger.
Trigger.
Set an animator trigger. Trigger an event. An animator trigger. kind of an animation? I don't really know. Let's try this one. Game object. Trigger.
Trigger.
Nothing trigger.
Chrono trigger. Okay, so I have this purple runs into gold. Will this look too janky? This is like sand. The sand coming this way. That'll work because if it turns into gold, that's not super far off.
It's not right.
I gotta figure out what color I'm gonna make these letters though.
Trigger, enter, collide, tag. Add an event for Jam. What? Time to stand up!
Time to stand up. I'm not doing it. You can't make me. You can't make me stand up. It's too much work.
What? Piggle's throwing out salt.
Bam. Piggle cheers.
Take some salt.
Thanks for the bits.
Thank you for the
Piggle.
bits. Bits. Uh-oh. A bit war.
Bit war.
So
Bit
my
war,
watch
girl.
reminds me to get up once an hour because I sit in a turret all day.
That is very good.
And it says, get up, woman!
That is actually excellent. I should probably do that.
Tells me to take a few deep breaths once an hour. Tells me to get up. I have to be up. I have to be moving for it to count.
Take deep breaths.
You're like, before, we ain't got time for that. On that note, I found a really old iPad that I don't know if I can charge anymore. It's like the original iPad. I don't even know what the charger for this looked like. I'm looking at the bottom, it's not helping. Are you done? I did it. Oh. I'm like, that's a really long minute.
It's a very
long minute. Okay.
Wasn't that long.
No, I went
Felt
past
like
it.
It felt like about a minute. Oh, come on. Brush. Let me try this bluey color. Whoa. That is
That's
sad.
a seekers.
There's a dying cat in the background.
How? How?
Have they not been fed?
No, they have 2 hours ago.
Oh. What is he screaming about?
It's just annoying. What do bits do? Bits give gamers for good donations.
What do bits do?
What do bits do anyways? Well, you're old enough to know the truth.
Who asked what a
If
bits
you
do?
use 10,000, you die instantly. Oh my. Why are you using them then? I want to get to 9999 and just tempt fate. Good luck then.
Outstanding.
You would think these people are related and love each other. Yes, Siggs, just like you.
Oh. The cat's name is Ziggs, and it is kind of dying right now.
Is he sad? Doesn't know where the dog is, so he's lonely.
No, I don't think he cares where the dog is.
No, he does. He just wants her to stay there. He's like, wherever you are, dog, just stay there.
Wherever you are, don't come back. Please
I don't really
come
care where
back.
you are. Just don't come here. And yeah, wait a minute. This is the gem, so we want to use the collide tag. Hit all.
Collide test?
Tag. Tag. It'll. Meow. Yeah? That line if from Aram.
Hmm?
What does that mean?
That line if from Aram. I know what that means.
Help me understand.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Let's see. Oh, two of these
They
letters.
won't know what hit them because they will all be dead. Okay, I believe you.
Oh, these are all wrong. Well, I know the Riot logo is going to be
Actually,
white.
I think I'm going to take this off of there. Get rid of this one. Let's make another FSM on the gem. Add one. Hi, Cooper Mall!
Cooper Mall.
I'm happy to see you. I hope things are quiet for you and uneventful.
Yeah, how's stuff going? How was the man to the Dell?
Uh-oh, he's up by you. He's gonna get ya.
Who? Who's that? Oh, that's Ziggs.
It's a Seekers.
So he's just gonna start screaming. What do you want? Come
He's
here.
like, I'm gonna get ya.
Come here.
Gonna get ya.
Come here. Come here. Oh, he's not coming. He ain't coming. He says, forget it, I ain't coming. There we go. More cheering from Mojito.
Oh, okay, so next week.
More of the Mojito cheers. Thank you, Mojito.
Why do you cheer with something that says Swift Rage? That sounds angry.
I don't know what do you mean?
It says
you can
Swift Rage 1, Swift Rage 1.
Oh, you can cheer and send a message?
And send emotes?
Oh.
Emojis? What are they called?
I don't know.
Dickers, don't whine. Oh, the window is open. That's why.
That means wine.
He wants to get up there and the curtain is in his way. He's too stupid to figure it out, and he's mad that Timo knows how to be up there. Do you need help, Seekers?
Doesn't sound like something to get that upset about.
Look, I see Timo. Be nice with your brother. Ziggs and Timo. Emoticons. Is that what they're called? Like, I don't know what these things is called.
Is that what they're called?
Emoticons.
Is it emoticons?
Emoticons.
Or just emoticons?
Emotes. They're
Emoticons.
emotes. If you push the button, it says search emotes.
I think they're called emoticons. I think that's what it is. I could be totally wrong. Could be totally wrong.
These are so weird. Sugar. Nay. I never get what they're... You don't say, like... I remember they did, like, at TwitchCon, they did a thing testing people to know, like, what they looked like. I could never keep track of all these. StarCraft 2, Protoss, Zerg. There's so many in here. Kapow. They're kind of fun. We get to make, ooh, Mojito, you will be, as our first subscriber, you will be the first to get our subscriber badge when Pete makes it.
After GDC.
I don't think all those colors can look good together. They're all so different. And all.
Yeah, it's pretty challenging. It's pretty challenging.
It's funny that you're doing this again.
What?
Like this was an issue last week in a totally different circumstance. Trying to put too many things together.
Trying to put too many things together. Like what? You're talking about these elements?
Not these specific elements. I'm saying you were doing another. You were working on something else that was also your problem to solve was to combine multiple things.
I don't know.
Never mind.
Never
mind.
What was it?
I can't say it, so it's okay.
Oh, you're talking about something for work.
Yes. I thought I'd be the first sub. Aww.
So
You want me to kick him out, Pickle, so you can be first?
You can be the second first sub.
This headset is so weird. It turns off every 20 minutes.
That's a feature.
Every 20 minutes it says you're done. Everything here is telling me to get up and move on. I wasn't sure if all these soundtracks would work. Put a ton of new music in the playlist. Okay, so I am trying to do something I don't know how to do, so that's why I'm kind of stuck here. So what I'm trying to work on right now is I want when Cat walks over to this gem and picks it up, I want to trigger this visual effect.
But you don't know how.
I'm not sure how. I don't see... I gotta look up in Playmaker how to trigger a visual effect. It's a particle system. How can I trigger a particle system? I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up. I have no idea.
Look it up.
And I's gonna look it up.
I don't know. Don't ask me.
You should start playing Tree of Savior music.
Sure.
Do they have any?
Do it, yeah.
I'm like, is there...
I remember Tree of Savior having pretty cool music. I believe that has some cool jams.
What's with you all in Tree of Savior? They're kind of fixated. I don't see any Tree of Savior music.
What's wrong with Tree of Savior?
Nothing.
Have you ever played it, Pickle? Tree of Savior is pretty cool.
I've played it. I don't know if she tried it or not. I don't remember. How much is it?
It's free. How much is it?
Everyone should play it. Everybody.
How much is it? $0 plus tax.
Oh, awesome. I really want to thank Stranglefast for his donation. He and his wife sent over a spreadsheet full of game keys for Gamers for Good to use as donations and prizes on our stream.
Sweet.
Thank you!
Very cool.
Brrr, Seekers.
Beautiful star guardian star. It will shimmer in the light. It will be so pretty. So pretty. It's reddish.
So I'm just looking for something recent-ish, last year or so. Trigger event tag. Hitters, rigid body station rocket. Do you and your mom play together? You could say grandma. And wasn't she here? Jackie, are you still here? Oh, I just saw her name come up. Not really, should always have a token. What's a token? They're gamey talk.
What's a token?
I don't know, maybe it's something to get to other people? I would say by the context of the conversation. She does not need a token to try it.
To try what? Do you need a token for Tree of Savior?
I don't know what a token is. I didn't have a token.
I never saw. I don't know what a token is. I played it without a token. I don't know what a token is.
Token is the 30 sub thing. Oh, a 30-day subscription? 30 sub thing. Ah, gotcha.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
You don't need that though, right? I mean, it's a free game, isn't it?
But I mean, I don't understand why that was a question to do you and your mom play together, not really should always have a token. What does the token do in relation to playing together?
Oh, do you have to have something to play together?
I don't know. That's why I'm not sure why that's an answer to that question.
Huh. That would be weird.
It's because Mom is weird.
But no, that would just be super strange if you had to have some kind of, I don't know, some kind of thing to actually play together.
Wow, your YouTube channel is called Dumb Game Dev. How encouraging.
Whose is?
Dumb Game Dev. Who has 874 subscribers. You need a name that instills more confidence. This is a door animation. I know how to do a door animation.
Well, then what's the problem? Do the door animation.
Because when I did a door animation, I keyed movements on an axis. That's not the same thing at all. Yeah, that's the thing that's tripping me up, is this, it's a particle.
Pretty cool.
Let me go look through my tutorial and see what I might be able to copy. Haha. So I did a really good Udemy class. I haven't finished it yet. I have to finish it. Udemy class Udemy? For Playmaker, and the thing that's really nice about it is he has all the bookmarks and such set up by topic. So I can kind of hop and skip around and get to the stuff I need without watching all the stuff I don't. It's kind of a funny dude.
Is it
Doctor Strange or whatever he calls himself?
Is it Udemy or Udemy?
U-D-E-M-Y.
Yeah.
That's
Udemy?
What it is. I don't know how you pronounce it.
Have you heard anyone say it?
Nope.
On the thing?
Nope. I have not.
Has not. He's alright.
Academy, Udemy. That's why I'm saying it that way, because I'm thinking it's supposed to play off the Academy.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense. That actually makes sense.
So this says add sound and particle effect to our gun.
To what?
Does Rayman have lame music? Yes, but the problem is that's going to be a constant, I think. It's just a particle effect. I just need to know, how do I initiate a particle effect? What Playmaker action do I need to use?
Who said Rayman had bad music?
Jasmine. Or Piggle.
Rayman has lame music. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy.
You guys are going to check out, this is the class that I've been taking. It's called Can't Code, Who Cares? Make Games Anyway. As I said, this guy's kind of interesting. But this is actually the best Playmaker tutorial I found. I did realize that once I had Pete start doing this, you do need to do some basic Unity tutorials before. Because he doesn't go over that very much. He jumps kind of right into Playmaker, and if you don't know where things are, it's going to be a lot of pausing, searching, Googling. He does have some videos lower. He calls them bonus features that he has you watch first. And then you go into the class, but he's still the best one that I found. He's very direct. He shows you everything. There's nothing that he's asking you to do on the screen that he's not doing. Always can. He realizes when something popped up off screen. Love that.
What do you mean?
A lot of times when you're used to working on two monitors, a dialog box for the program you're working in will pop up not on the monitor that you're filming. And some people just respond to it off camera. And you don't know, something popped up, you don't know what they chose. So when you're QAing and trying to go back through a tutorial because yours is not working the way it's supposed to, it becomes an unknown variable.
Got it.
Udemy can be nice though because you can leave questions. Like I could leave a question right here for the instructor, he will get it. So if he didn't show something, I could say, hey, I want to duplicate this, but, ooh, this is actually showing what I want. So I'm going to shush. I'm going to pause it right here. You can interact with the instructor. They're still involved in the process. You're not just buying a set of videos.
Cool.
Sorry. So I am paying attention now to what this says so that I can... So he's showing the particle effect, he's adjusting it. See, I don't ever care. Most of the time he goes into all these, like, how do I change the colors and the bits and all. That's not the stuff that I end up doing more of. Pete does that stuff. All I have to do is make stuff work. And then Pete goes in and adjusts what things look like and colors and things like that. My job is to put it in there and make it work. His job is to make it look pretty.
No, that's my job.
Yes.
Wow, I didn't know that. I've been failing miserably.
Oh, and fun to play.
That I knew.
Okay. I'm hit. Dead. Do nothing.
Thing.
I love how simple his like state machine is there. Enemy hit. I'm hit. Am I dead? Am I dead? Do nothing. I'm dead? He can be kind of condescending though. Pete didn't like some of that.
What?
The guy's kind of a smartass. Were you gonna give away any games today?
Oh, sure.
Who do we have here today? Do we have?
Show.
Or is it just our family? No, it's okay, we don't need to. Unless we want to just give it to this Zenthlock guy, because everything else is like our family, and then the Slaughterfast gave us a bunch of keys.
Key giver. Fantastic. Yeah, we can do it a little bit later.
Okay.
Do it a little bit later. Gotta get some of this done. Running out of time. Running out of time. But boy, do I love Thunderdome.
Collider.
Because you are absolutely running out of time. It's kind of an awesome thing. No matter what you do. It's always kind of good enough because you don't have time to make it better. What's that noise?
Where? It's the song.
What is it? What game is that?
Zombie Guidance Counselor?
Okay. That sounds cool. Is that from Tree of Savior? Zombie Guidance Counselor?
Pause. Create an object. I'm lost where he put the particle effect. Okay, let's play this again and actually pay attention.
This is Minecraft?
Doing something. You can look on your own screen.
Yeah, this is
Here is him
Minecraft.
changing colors. What is hit wave enemy?
I can't see the whole word.
Sorry, I'm doing something. This just like, did he just make this empty object? Now Timo is screaming.
The cats are mad. I'm kind of worried about the sandcastle being the same color as the scroll. I'll have to change. Should the sand be more yellow, or should the scroll be more yellow? I guess the sand. I think sand is more yellow by default. Let's go absurd yellow. Ew, that's not sand color. Nope, still too yellow.
I hate that this guy does all these like customizations, like, because I don't care. Like, I don't want to see how he changes colors and things. That's fairly obvious to me. I just need to see how he gets this attached to that. So he dropped it into the party monster group. So I would put that in the gem group would be the equivalent. On the hit collider. Nope, back up on the party monster.
What are you trying to learn how to do?
Oh, I see why. Okay, so what I'm missing, why I'm not being able to call up this effect, and what I see what he did now is he made an empty game object, put the effect in there, and now the effect is callable because it's a game object. That's the piece I was missing. I'm like, I can't figure out how to, I can't bring up anything that will let me put an effect in here.
Hey Liz, hey Pete, says Mr. Ian. How's it going?
Hello!
How is it going? Mr. Ian Ameling. Great to see you. Hey, are you going to be at GEC, Ian? Are you still in the San Franciscan area?
I am not.
I am not. Oh. Sad face. We're heading over there on Sunday. I'm back at Blizzard.
Oh.
Back at Blizzard. That's
Sadly,
right.
that doesn't sound like a sad thing.
That's right.
I miss you guys. We miss you too, Ian.
Ditto, ditto.
No. He says no.
No what?
I don't know, that's what he said.
Just no.
Sadly, I'm gonna miss you too. Oh, we get some shamrocks. Thank you, Mojito.
Mojito. Dropping them bits. Thank you for the bits.
Gem sparkles.
This is the worst sandcastle I've ever drawn.
That's okay.
I think it's the only sandcastle I've ever drawn, so technically it's the best one also. But I'm going for worst right now. That's how I'm feeling, or lack of feeling it. That's really big window.
Do you guys have a mobile game you can recommend? Mojito recommends Gumdrops and Dungeons. Is that real?
Gumballs.
Oh, Gumballs and Dungeons. I'm like, Gumdrops?
I've never seen Gumdrops and Dungeons, but Gumballs and Dungeons is pretty cool. That is a really good game. There's this company Kixeye that makes some pretty good mobile games. Oh no, were they only Facebook games? No, they did mobile games, I'm pretty sure.
There's gotta be some setting on my headphones. It literally turns off after 20 minutes.
That's pretty funny.
I can look, it goes beep, I look, it's like 8:20. It'll be again at 8:40, and then at 9.
Moved over to mobile. Let me see.
They do War Commander.
War Commander! That has got to be the most generic name for a game. War Commander. Let's see, I got a couple cool games. Got some rad tower defense games. Shadowverse is a really good card game. That's what you're into. Let's see. War Dragons is pretty sweet. There's a cool fishing game called A Girl Adrift that I've been playing a little bit of. That was recommended to me.
A what?
A Girl Adrift.
What did you say it was?
It's a fishing game.
Oh. Oh, Adrift.
It's just a girl on a raft. It's cute. It's cute. It's a cute little thing. Alright. Ian, you like coloring things. Help me solve the colors of these letters. So I'm making this chaotic thing, and I need these three elements. I have a sandcastle, a Star Guardian star, and a purple project diamond. And I'm trying to figure out what color to make the words without this looking overly messy. Tried green, which ended up looking funky. How about just black? Perfect. Got it. I won't do that. Battle Captain is a blast. Battle Captain. Who makes Battle Captain?
Don't do it, Dad. It's a trap.
Don't do it, Dad.
Look at
Wobbly
your
Trout. The Troutster. Hello, Mr. Trout.
It happened again.
What happened? Your controller broke?
I'm not sure why something keeps taking. How am I?
Dude, you're bugging. You're bugging.
I don't understand.
What don't you get?
I keep turning off her control. I don't understand.
It's a feature. Or a trap. Either way.
Don't do it, Dad. It's a trap.
Don't do it. Don't do it, it's a trap. Alright. I've really got to get this done. So for context on what I'm doing, this is the one time I'm doing Riot work on this stream, because we're doing a Thunderdome, which is a 48-hour game jam kind of thing. So we're making 3 different games, and I am basically making this this cover for the 3 games. Where's the drawing for it? Losing all my layers. So here's the drawing for the 3 characters that I drew quickly earlier today. We have another guy who's doing the colors, then 3 different games. Here's one of the covers, a project. Here's another one of the games, the Star Guardian. And here's the last one, which is a pool party game called Super Zack Ball. So it's we have 3 teams who are who have 48 hours to make 3 mini games, and so it's really fast. It's really crazy, and I have to make the title for all of these things together, and it's called Jam Packed, and it's a total calamity mess of shit. So that's why this is already looking kind of like a calamity mess of shit. These in a group. Alright, cool. So yeah, good times, good times. Great times. Wonderful times. So I'm looking for some cool.
Okay, let's try that. I have now put something in my... So basically what I am looking to do now is I have set up the colliders that when the hero collider intersects with the gem collider to create the gem sparkles, play the sound, increase the score, and destroy the gem. So let's see if those all happen.
Sounds like a lot of things to happen.
It's a lot of things to happen!
I wish you the best of luck on your quest to make a lot of things happen.
Always wanted to attend that. I have an idea. About what? Ian says, regarding your palette, you can do an analogous setup and have one of those colors pop. It worked!
Nice.
I'm so excited. Sorry, guys. Like, I always am very, very happy when everything works. And now I have to make sure that I apply it to all of them.
Now, like
Hello,
I said,
Timo.
one of those colors pop. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Hello! It's Fenrix. Hello! Hello! Welcome to the stream! To anyone that is joining us recently,
Fenrix.
doesn't know who the heck we are or what we're doing here,
I don't know what I'm doing here.
please let us know when you figure it out! No. No. I am Liz Cooper. This is Pete Cooper. We are gamers for good. I am currently working on our first game to be demoed GDC in like a couple days. Fingers crossed, knocking all the good things. And Pete is actually doing an internal game jam, one of his last, with Riot. So he is working with 3 teams there to release some player-facing games in 48 hours.
Yeah. Yeah. And they're asking me, where's the title?
And they're pinging him on Slack.
Like, give me an update.
So I have now hit apply. That should mean that all of my gems have now acquired lovely sparkles. Oh, this is going to be so awesome if I can go in here and they all light up my life.
Let me see, where is Dad?
I'm going to pause the song because I like it.
The song is great.
And I don't want to hear our funky jam over it. Come on, cat, make me happy. No.
Alright, so Den sent me an update on the colors.
The controller is not working.
So let me drop that in here and see what that looks like. Okay.
Pick one of the three to be saturated. The other two darker and desaturated. Use yellow, green, blue. Get automatic harmony.
I don't have a choice. The pink and the purple are required because they go with these characters. And the other thing is a sand castle, and that's already kind of a color. But that one doesn't bother me because it's pretty muted. I guess I could just mute the purple and the pink quite a bit, and then boost the color of the letters.
So I'm not sure why Cat is not moving again with the controller, so I have opened her... Oh, Schniddlebits.
Schniddlebits.
Sorry. This is set to maximize on play, so the thing I was trying to show you is not going to work. So I opened her state machine that directs her control. I'm going to hit play, and I will be able to see where it's not activating, so it'll like show me where it's getting through on each of these states. And of course, because I did all that, it works. Sparkles? Yes, Sparkles! I'm so excited, sorry. I had no idea how to do this, like I literally had no idea, so I was hoping Google and my Doctor Strange would help me. And we have gotten it. Oh, I still have to do something for the key. That's okay. I know how to do it now, I just have to do a different one. Save that scene.
Save that scene.
Save that scene. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, so VFX for pickups item. That's halfway done. I need to find another one for the key. Alright, so we'll go back to all my VFX.
Alright, here's the PSD from Dan. Alright. So what was he doing with this? Okay, so he was making... Need to get rid of all this stuff. Where's the titles? Wow, he has a million layers. A million layers. Okay, so
Ooh, that one's kind of fun.
Which one's fun?
I think that's a fun visual effect for the key pickup. It's like stars and auras swirling.
Stars and auras.
It's the girly touch. Yes, we get sparkles and stars. But it comes yellow too, so that works. Alright, so we are going to use this one. I'm going to get rid of these other ones.
This one and this one.
This one and this one and that one and this one. And I have to remember I have a really lame sound effect on the key. So if I get a chance...
Make the text red. Alright, I will do that.
Okay, so I can put the music back on. Bang, bang, bang. Alright, so let's duplicate this. Alright, we can put those gems away. We are all done with them. Bye-bye, gems. And now we are going to go into Keyland. Make an object in here. Did you hear about Toys R Us? All gone.
Toys R Us is gone?
Gone.
The store is gone?
Everything.
That's nutty.
I think I said 799 stores.
That is
Done.
I'll have to figure out Den's layers here.
That's fun.
Yeah.
always fun to figure out someone else's stuff.
Yeah, he's a concept artist, so he has about 247 layers here.
Just
And
the
they're all-
necessities.
they're all named like that.
So I am just moving this awesome swirly goodness over to the key. Oh, look at that business.
Ba-da-ba-da.
You know you want that key. That's hotness. Alright, now let's set up. Let's go look at the state machine on the key. You're not showing me the key. So we're gonna go right back here again. We're gonna add sparkles. Sparkles. You're going to create an object. I know I'm gonna break the prefab. It's okay. So I want to create this when it runs into this. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be sad. So here's the sad part of Liz making games. I can't play our game very well. I can't play it, and so it's like I need to know if I get the key if it makes the sparkles. I can only get one key, so there's only one I can test. And I still need to wait for Pete to beat the game so I can see if the win condition comes up. But let's go see if I can go grab that one key. I'm gonna do this because this somehow seems to make a difference in Cat being able to move. So we've now done that.
Cat being able to move.
And I can be extremely superstitious, so you'll see me do goofy shit like that. That is not supposed to show.
What? The sparkles?
I can see the sparkles already.
Does it just continuously play?
That one does. The gem doesn't. Oh, see, the control's not working. I jinxed myself.
Jinx.
I don't know why it likes to work sometimes. The sparkles are not supposed to show. Like the gem, the sparkles don't show till you grab it. Is that one showing? Yep, those ones look awesome. God, I want more gems. Those are so rewarding. Look at this. Sparkles! Give a girl sparkles! Pete will probably think it's too much and be like, no, we gotta tone that crap down. I think I got all the gems I can get.
That's pretty extreme. Holy shit.
Bam, bam, bam!
It's a little heavy on the bling. You can get those ones right there on the bridge.
Where?
Right there.
I already did.
Well, then why are they still there?
Under the...
You just got them right now.
Oh.
Oh, it's a delay.
Oh, I'm like, what are you talking? Oh, I got caught.
It's the delay. I'm watching the stream.
Okay, so gem sparkle good. Key sparkle is on when it's not, which is weird because it's not showing here. Like,
All right.
silence, 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 silence.
I
Okay,
need to
so I
figure out
still
this
see
layer.
stuff. So this did not work the same way because this is not. What did I forget to do? What did I forget to do? Help my brain. What did I forget to do? What did I forget to do?
What did you forget to do? That I don't know. What did you forget to do?
So I am going to cheat. I know it worked on the gems. I'm going to go look at the gem again. See what's over there. Okay, so we play the sparkles, wait for collision.
Collision.
Gem Sparkles, Gem Geo, ba-bam.
Yeah. Look at
Jasmine
your
is feeling
Discord.
very ignored. Oh.
100? Dang. Are you talking about look at this? Why?
Why don't you talk to
Why
him
aren't
in
you
Twitch
talking?
chats? Whisper. Oh, and he didn't answer that either. Okay.
Okay. Sorry, I guess we're not paying enough attention to the text. 100? Dang. What is that? Get on my
Oh,
level.
look at you, baller.
I don't want to die though.
My internet's went down. I almost died.
Piggle.
Mojito's a baller. Oh, music is down.
It is my favorite game, but the music is bad, says Piggle. She's referring specifically to Rayman. I don't know why she thinks Rayman has bad music. I think Rayman's music's pretty damn good.
Good evening, Corny. Corny? Corey? Why did I say corny?
Corny.
Because there's an N there. Corny?
Welcome, Corny.
Welcome to the stream, Corey. Alright, so keys. Object. Trigger event. Geo. I'm not putting the right thing in there. I'm supposed to be putting this. Ah. Let's see. Nope. Still see you. Why are you doing this to me, game? No idea what that is. It's so weird that I literally copied this from one to the other, and now...
Copied what?
Like, I made the gem first, and then I copied it and made a key, and just, like, changed the model. So they should be set up really the same.
That is true. Jazz is saying I can make the castle way more... excuse me, way more yellow. Because in the game, it's hyper yellow. It is hyper yellow, yeah, they're really going. It's like gold, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool.
I've been called corny fly by many online chatters. I could see that. My brain, like, mixed those letters around.
Cornfly, yeah, it does look like that. I could see that. Sorry, I'm checking all of my
quiet.
messages.
I'm getting all quiet because I'm QAing, so now it's like I'm trying to figure out why this particle effect is playing like right away, and the other one, even though I have it set up for a trigger situation. Who have we got here tonight? What are you guys doing? Who's watched? We're curious to get some feedback. Has anyone watched any of the new Jessica Jones episodes? And if so, what do you think so far?
Is I'm gonna merge all these because I literally cannot understand why
Working
there's
on my
200
tree
layers here.
motion vertex shader at the moment. Yeah. Tree motion vertex shader. Nice. I have not gonna binge this weekend. If it's anything like the first season, I'll be happy. That's what I thought too.
Sweet. I'm just merging all the layers because I don't know what's going on.
Thank you for the bits! Ian, Pete, where can I send you a file?
Who?
That's Mr. Ameling.
Send it right here in Discord. Or no.
I'll whisper him.
Yeah. Send them to our Discord channel. Do you have Discord, Ian? Because you can post images on the Discord. You can certainly do that.
Does he have Discord?
Doesn't everybody have Discord?
Don't know.
Are there people who don't have Discord? That is crazy talk. Actually, I want to get a little bit more Star Guardian reference. Let's find some Star Guardian reference. Star Guardian Jinx. Star Guardian Jinx.
I don't know if you have Discord, Ian, but that's what he's talking about. You don't have Discord, okay.
You don't have Discord?
He's got no cords of
Dude,
dis.
you gotta get Discord, man. Come on. That's what all the kids are doing,
All
man.
the cool kids do, all them gamers. Registering. Like I'm doing it, damn it. Your face! Swift Rage, Swift Wave. Thank you for the bits.
Wow, it is purple. Why is it showing up blue here? These colors are lying to me. She looks way more... She looks like a different color in the game. Alright. That's fine.
Your face!
Whose face?
Your face!
Not my face, your face.
Transition. Why are you... Well, why is this key gotta be fucking with me? That's amazing. That's how you know, like, I don't know what I'm doing still. I just did this. Like, I just did it for the jam and it works. But I don't really know what I'm doing yet, so I can't duplicate it. Because it's weird. I am duplicating it. I swear I am.
I'm about to reset my tablet drivers, man. This thing's acting all crazy. Could not... What are you doing? I'm trying to move something. It's like, could not find layer, blah, dip, dip, bap. Alright. Let me get a little of this.
I'm going to try and do this over again. Because I'm not sure what happened.
Yeah, alright. I want to get a little bit more skin tone in her face. Right now she is ultra pink. She's like kind of a little devil. I also want to paint out all these damn lines.
So this time it doesn't look like the key sparkles are showing ahead of time. And I didn't do anything different. So I'm gonna say game development is crazy. I did it the exact same way I did it before. I don't know why it is now working. So I'm gonna try and go get the one key I can get most of the time. I'm gonna say most because it's not all. And see if it works then.
Can you really not get the keys in the game?
Yeah, it didn't work. God damn it, all that work for nothing! Okay.
You can't get the keys in the game? Come on.
So the key count went up, the key disappeared, but it did not make my sparkles. So let's go back.
No sparkles.
No sparkles, man, no sparkles. Let's try putting key 1 in here instead of just the actual geometry. Maybe that'll make a difference. See if I can still control Cat. I guess I'm getting super, super anxious of this because this is one of the last things I have left to do. And like, then I'm gonna be nervous because then I have to like let people see it.
Let people see your mess. That's great.
Yup.
Nothing wrong with that at all.
Oh no, don't get caught. So bad at controlling her. This game is not as hard as I make it look. Please be aware. Oh, look at those sparkles. Come on, Key. Come on, Key. I missed. God damn it. I'm very good at this game. It's almost like I know where the things are. Like I put them there and stuff.
Didn't you put them there?
Alright, come on. Let's try and get it. It's true game development. I have to try and like... Get it! Get it! No! So the score is going up. Okay. Oh no, what? What? Now. I'm in the court of Dis.
Oh, is that Ian?
Uploaded. No, this is Ian.
He made it. He made it into the Discord.
Made it into the Discord. Okay, so the key is going away. What? Oh. Oh, yes, Mr. Ziggers, I know. I know, Mr. Ziggatasticles. There's some reason you should be screaming.
Are you posting something?
Am I posting something?
No, Ian. You're saying
he
made it into the Discord?
I don't know. He said somewhere. Oh, in general.
In general, let's see. Where is our Discord? Can I even find it?
It's Gamers for Good.
Gamers for Good. We have a general. There is a general.
You're in general voice chat.
Okay.
Go up to general text
general
chat.
Period. General period. Jam packed.
Why is this?
That's pretty cool with the star thing. Nice.
Okay, so the key is there.
Yeah, I'd have to shove that way over there though. I could probably get away with it. So I was trying to have the three things around the words, but that is pretty darn cool. Yeah, I might give that a spin.
Thank you for
Good
more
idea.
cheers, Mojito.
Good idea, Mr. Ian. Very cool. I've never been in here.
You've never been in where?
Our Discord.
Oh.
Should probably look at it once in a while.
Maybe, yeah.
Should probably look at it.
Okay, I think that might have done it. Let's go try again.
That might have been what?
I think I was attaching the wrong items to what I wanted spawned and what I wanted as my trigger. Oh. So I'm gonna try again.
So confusing that there's the two different songs going on.
I'm sorry, I will just turn this off then. I This is why I didn't want to turn on the music while we were doing testing. It's because you have to listen to it every time then. I missed. I'm so good at this.
Well, Mr. Ian, welcome to Discord.
Welcome to the future.
You are now part of the future. Her eyes are like orange. That's
Still
super
didn't
weird.
do it. Still not doing it, yo.
Still not doing what? What are you trying to do?
I'm not gonna keep.
Are you still trying to do the same thing?
Yes. So I have not moved on.
Still doing the same thing.
Next none. Sparkles, Gem Geo.
Is there still big trucks working outside?
I don't know. Yep, so I am still trying to QA this. I really don't see what I did differently from my gem to my key. I'm comparing these, and I am not seeing what's not the same about them.
That's 6. It's never awesome. When things seem like they're the same, but they're working differently. That's pretty annoying. Cancel? What are you doing?
Cheers! Yay! Thank you, Mojito! Sparkles.
The non-stop mojito cheers. What color is this? Is it purple?
So I'm not sure when I'm going in here, when I'm dragging in the objects that is my key sparkles, like I have my gem sparkles, on the gem it's reading the gem sparkles as a prefab. Although I don't know if it's doing that now because I've applied it to all of them. I hadn't had it applied before it worked though, and it still worked. So let's keep looking. That's not what it is. Okay. None, none, none. No game object. Well, that's not good.
You will solve this, I assure you. With epic determination.
I've done too much QA in my software history to not. I'll get all geeky on you and bust out a spreadsheet and track the changes, and then you'll be hating life.
No, that's awesome. That's what I'm always telling you to do. Checklist. Checklist is how you win.
Oh, Triceratoco.
You got Triceratoco now.
Because Triceratoco.
Sorry.
Start again. Get some sparkle on. Bling bling. Gems look good. Come on, Key. Do your thing. Do your thing like a chicka wang. I want the Sly Cooper pickpocket thing. To follow dogs around.
That would be awesome. Scope creep.
Yep.
Don't do it.
It still didn't do it. Oh, I'm a shit bird of baggle-gads. No stinking stupid puffs. I may. That was a whole lot of
Stupid?
nothing.
What? I love
Okay,
it. I'm
so-
happy we recorded that because that was awesome.
So-
Shitbags of gobble puffs.
I don't know what I said, but I figured it out. The reason this not working, remember how I said I was testing the gem closest to Cat for testing period? Well, I wasn't that smart with the key. I'm testing on the one that's closest to look at, and then I'm going and picking up a different one. So, because I haven't applied it to the prefab, it's not working.
Oh, that's funny.
Alright, so let's go back.
It's a little bit funny.
Let's take the key one, and let's hit this. I'm back. Alright, so I'm going to hit apply to apply this to all of the keys, so I don't have to pick up that particular one. And I'm going to bang my head on the keyboard when this works. Or I'll be very, very happy, because it's one of the last things on my list that I don't know how to do.
I think you should bang your head on the keyboard and be happy.
So happily bang my head on the keyboard? Just like
Yes.
super, like out of your mind nuts exhausted happy? Or just like polite happy?
Like I did it. Happy
Fuck
slam.
a nugget.
Did it work?
No, I can see the visual effect already. Damn it.
What do you mean?
It's supposed to happen when you pick it up, not like when it's just standing there.
Okay, so that wasn't it. Huh? Or that-
Yeah, and it's still there because I took the key and it's still there. So, different problems. But now I don't know which of the other solutions I tried might actually work. Because I was trying them on a key that didn't have any of the scripting on it.
Not awesome.
QA,
Not
yay!
awesome.
We'll figure it out. Alright, it is 9 o'clock already, my friends.
That was fast.
We have decided that post GDC we are probably going to be extending our stream times. We've realized by the time people hop on, this has been kind of short. But I'm trying to get a demo ready for GDC, so I'm not making that switch now. So we are going to wrap up for tonight. Thank you all for hanging out with us. It's been awesome. We will see you. Ooh,
Oh, we didn't do any game giveaways.
that's
Sorry.
okay.
So we'll do twice as many next time.
So Sunday will be interesting. I don't actually know what my schedule is because I am a conference associate. I'm actually working at GDC. So I don't know yet. GDC's streaming schedule is going to be interesting. So I will try and keep it updated on the Twitch page and send out social. We're going to try and do a lot of live streaming if everything cooperates.
If everything cooperates.
We'll see how it goes. But we do want to say thank you guys. At the latest, you will see us here the Sunday following GDC, which will be the 25th. So thank you. Until then, I hope we see you sooner. Have a wonderful night, and goodbye, everyone. Say goodbye, Pete.
Goodbye.
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 Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now.